Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: storage, power, and account access. Once done, open your device settings and force stop the App Store. This clears transient errors. Next, clear the store cache and app data so you remove corrupt metadata. Make sure to toggle airplane mode on then off to reset network stacks. If you're on Android, uninstall store updates. If on iOS, close the App Store app. These steps remove common blocks and prepare the system for a fresh install attempt. Now you address mid-level causes. Install any pending OS updates. Outdated system components often block new apps. Once updated, disable VPNs or proxy profiles because they can interfere with download validation. If parental or device management profiles exist, temporarily remove them so permissions don't reject installation. On Android, sideloading a verified APK can work. Only use trusted sources and enable install from unknown sources. You complete the process by rebooting the device and attempting the official installation again. A fresh boot finalizes system changes. If the install still fails, note any error code and search settings tied to it, like date/time mismatches or certificate errors, and correct them. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after you backup data. This removes deep configuration corruption. If problems persist after reset, contact device support. The key tip: always back up before drastic steps and verify error codes first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.